Hi, this is Dr. Cynthia Clark, acupuncture physician, applied clinical nutritionist, and creator of Energy Evolution, and also the president of Longevity Wellness. And I'm so excited to tell you about our open house this Wednesday. We're going to have lots of fun prizes, everything from essential oil soaps to drones. We're going to have a presentation by Dr. Martina Mallory, the holistic dentist, about exactly what holistic dentistry is, and that's going to be at 5 o'clock. Our ribbon cutting is going to be at 4:30, and I'll be giving a presentation on genetic weight loss and this novel, unique approach at 5:30. So can't wait to see you. Come on out, bring a friend. This is a great time to help introduce someone to a really great, healthy system of living and a different way of thinking things than they might otherwise have thought about. We're also going to be having some more information coming up for you soon. So exciting things are coming out, and I can't wait to tell you about them, including our Pure Energy class on Sunday, March 31st from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And this is the how to clear all the muckety muck, the junk that tends to creep up on us in life. This class gets better and better every time I teach it, and this will be my 4th time teaching it, so I'm so excited to get to share this with you. That's going to be Sunday, March 31st. Just give us a call to register. We'll see you soon. Bye.